What's up, everybody? I've been having some really good trading days lately. Last night was no exception. I only took one trade, but this was the second trade in my compound cycle. I ended up with a $987 profit for the session. This also means I only need one more compound win to finish the $50,000 FTMO challenge. After that, I just have to get through the way easier verification stage. Then I'll have a new $50,000 account to trade with. I've passed the challenge now 10 plus times. I believe I'm at 10 now, so this will make 11. I had lost some of the accounts I got in the beginning. I'll be honest, I just wasn't ready to be trading with that high of an amount of money at the time. I now am taking my trading very, very seriously. The economy is getting really bad over here in the US due to some mismanagement issues that we're having right now. Unfortunately, there are ways for people to profit off of destruction, but that's a different story for a different day. I say all that to say I actually could use some more income right now, and trading income is way higher than almost anything else out there. I do fully intend to be a full-time trader by the end of this year. I do also fully intend to snatch up that 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. BMW has dropped the ball on multiple vehicles. I know the new 5 Series debuts tomorrow. I saw the leaks. I'm not impressed. And yeah, it just doesn't look good at all. So I'm gonna have to roll with the Benz instead. I've been taking a break for a while I was learning how to trade properly. I am ready to get back into the game. So let's go ahead and take a look at the trade that I took last night. I'll also go over some other notable things that I saw. Okay, so I'll go over the trade that I took, and then also just a bunch of things I noticed last night. So last night was this. I had to deal with all this different news. I had 12:15 announcement, 12:30, 1 a.m., 1:30, all really heavy news as well. And obviously the euro and the GBP are very important currencies in the majors. So if those currencies are being affected, it means the major pairs are probably being affected as well. So the dollar was not looking like it was very tradable. Let's see, the session started right here on the hourly chart. So you would think that it would continue going up, and it did, but it wasn't looking that, it wasn't looking like a guaranteed move. So I decided to stay away from the majors, but yeah, they did actually go down. It was just very choppy. So I decided to take my trades on the euro GBP instead. And let's see, I went long. I had one chance to go long here, but I actually missed out on that one and actually got back in, I believe, here. And I had originally set my stop loss, I believe, down here. Yep. So 4.812. Yep. Right in there. So the trade actually did kind of take a long time. I believe I got in maybe back over here. And no, it wasn't even that long. It was maybe half an hour, maybe 45 minutes, something like that. The trade actually did go through on the stream, so it didn't take that long. It wasn't hours and hours. This was all based off of mainly the hourly chart. And we have, like I said the other day, it's like a quadruple bottom on the hourly chart. So it was very, very unlikely for it to come back down at the time. Now it's since came down pretty heavy, and that's mainly because of the daily chart. So this is still technically in a downtrend on the daily chart, but you can still get nice moves on the hourly chart, and that's where I take most of my trades from. So that was a really easy trade, honestly, and I could have gotten even more from it. And yeah, that was the only real decent trade that I saw last night. I was going to get into a trade here as well. I was waiting on this green bar right here, and it actually made a second one, so I could have gone. This was at 12:45. So I had time to do it. 12:18. Yeah, there was a nice trade there too. I did took until 5:25. So I mean, the trade took forever, but it did go through. That was the only other trade I was looking at. Like I said, the majors were looking really unstable, so I decided to just not take any trades over there. I don't think the yens were doing anything either. Yeah, the yen pairs were just kind of chopping around too. Yeah, when you have those super heavy news days like that, it's usually better to stay away from any type of instability. You want to go for like super good moves, because the news is going to make it even more unstable than it usually would be. So it has to be a very clear move in order for me to take it. Like I said, I have one more compound win to go before I can finish the challenge. If I happen to fail on that trade, I do still have 2 other compound cycles I've already started. It would take me maybe 3 or 4 more days if I end up having to go that route. I think I should pretty easily be able to finish by Friday of this week. There won't be any more heavy news days for the rest of the week, so it's smooth sailing from here. And that's all for today. Be sure to hit the like button if you're enjoying the videos, the stream, the recaps, etc. I'll be back on here tonight at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual. Be sure to catch me over there. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Remember to always trade responsibly, and I'll see you guys later.